Hello, it's Haley. This is screencast attempt number 27. Actually, I have no idea. It's probably more like number 12. But it is up there because, I'm either jacking up the intro, is that appropriate use of that phrase? Or I have a screen malfunction. It's kind of like Janet Jackson at the Super Bowl thing, right? With the wardrobe malfunction. Only the screen goes bonkers temporarily. And yeah, I could cut it out, but it generally throws me for a loop so completely that I'm just like, F it, I've totally lost everything. So yeah, now that we're 30 seconds a minute, I have no idea into this, let's actually talk about stuff. Hey, let's find out if there's new data. No, all the weakest has changed. That's weird. Northern Alaska. Most recent earthquake, 1.9 magnitude. Strongest earthquake today, or in the past 24 hours, I should say. Southern Sumatra, Indonesia. Did anybody feel it? Let's find out. It's pretty deep, so, it could go either way. No responses. So, the strongest earthquake today, well, just because there were no responses, that does not necessarily mean that no one felt it. It's just no one deemed it important enough to report to the United States Geological Survey. I think that's what that trailing S is for. I'll have to memorize it one of these days. And maybe it's even, no, doesn't say. I have no idea. If we click on this, no, it just says USGS. Can't find the answer quick enough. Maybe we scroll down. Geological Survey, okay, there, I've just dropped some knowledge on you. Survey, not service. High temperatures today. We've kind of got this weird orange, the warm stuff creeping up, which is kind of weird for December, right? And then the low temperatures over tonight, not a whole lot of blue, so that's good. However, what have we got? We've got a whole bunch of wind. Fierce wind strikes fierce winds strike. See, it's plural, right next to that, strike the Rockies and High Plains. I cannot speak today. But yesterday, a gust to 117 miles per hour was reported in Logan Pass, Montana. Sandpoint, Idaho recorded an 86 mile per hour gust yesterday, and Boulder, Colorado had winds gusting to 80 miles per hour. Let's put that in perspective. In order for a thunderstorm, if all it has is really bad winds, in order for it to be declared a severe thunderstorm, 58 miles per hour and greater. And I'm going to show my lack of memory here, but I believe for it to be considered a significant severe weather event, it was something like 75 miles per hour and greater. And we've got a gust to 117. That's flippin' fast, isn't it? That's very, very fast. That is faster than a flippin' hurricane. Category 1, anyway. Well, I forget the scale. That might be like a Cat 3, Cat 4. I'm not sure. But, of course, that is a gust. That doesn't mean there's sustained winds were that bad that day. So, yeah, and it's basically the same thing today. All of the dark browns, high wind watch, all of the whatever goldish browns, goldish oranges, browns, a high wind warning. And we've got all kinds of winter stuff going on too. Let's see what the green is though. Flood warning. So if you're on the coast, it's either a flood warning or a hydrologic outlook. So that's probably flood warning and a hydrologic outlook. And I think hydrologic outlook is basically where there's going to be flooding or they want to alert I have no idea. If you're in that area, you should totally click on it and find out what it is. But the pink, winter storm warning, purple, winter weather advisory, and then avalanche warning, I think? Yes. All of this blue, those are the avalanche warnings. So basically, very, very windy and cold and snowy and winter. Over here, that's winter weather advisory. Yes, so in Maine, also winter. So how about that? Or something. The heavy snow is possible in the hatched areas. There's not sure. Heavy snow possible in these areas. Let's take a look at tomorrow. Heavy snow possible in those areas. Day 3, heavy snow up there, Great Lakes region, and then just generic snow over there. I don't know. Yeah. And then in severe thunderstorm news, nothing severe, but we do have 3 areas of thunderstorm, just generic thunderstorm weather. And then tomorrow, not even a thunderstorm at all. Right, so let's look at that again. Lots of wind. If you like wind, you should go to weather.gov. And if you can't spell weather, I can't help you. But NWS, that's National Weather Service. But if you go to weather.gov, and then I think if you click on this is how, yeah, there you go. See, I've got it bookmarked, so I don't even remember how to get there. But that's how you get to the big map. Otherwise, yeah. And if you like greens, of course, because you're a fan of Christmas, and you'll have to bring your own red or something to the site. I have no idea where to go with that. If you like the color green, you go to wickedwix.com, WICKEDWX, where you're certain to see a lot of greens for a while. I don't know. But come February, that's when stuff will start ramping up again. Come March, definitely. Come April, I think, now I have to look it up. I think May and June may be the most active tornado months statistically, if I remember right. One has like the most tornadoes statistically, and the other has the most tornado days, something like that. But, in this day of change of weather, January, you should totally start paying attention because there could be tornadoes everywhere. Who knows what's going on? It's 2012 is coming. That's the party line I'm going to toe, if that's the expression. I have no idea. Anyway, after all this rambling, yeah. I don't know. I don't have an ending. So I say, happy time and take it easy.